Ferkart 2024 updates: improved manufacturing quality and production, bigger factory, and new machinery. Our engineers design parts in advanced 3D software. Our go-kart chassis tubing is laser cut with extreme precision for both curved and straight cuts, with a maximum margin of error of 1 millimeter. Our bending machine shapes the chassis tubes according to our exact specifications. The chassis is then assembled and mounted on a template held by clamps on the robot welding platform. Our robot welding machine performs high-quality precision welds. The 360-degree platform can hold 2 chassis simultaneously, with automatic rotations for faster manufacturing. After welding, we conduct thorough inspections. If any modifications are needed, our professional welders manually perform adjustments. Our hardware and brackets are also built in-house using our hydraulic press brake machine. We perform CNC machining on-site, transforming 3D files into real components. Every component produced is meticulously inspected and measured for accuracy, composition, and finish during our final quality control. Our team carefully assembles each go-kart, thoroughly inspecting every detail to ensure correct installation and optimal functionality. Our new factory assembly line can hold more than 100 carts simultaneously. This is how we pack our orders, so our customers receive it in the best condition.